Hello everyone and welcome to Jorge the Mentor's channel, where today we are going to talk about how much should you charge for your Airbnb listing. I see a lot of hosts overcharging and some hosts leaving money on the table. So how do you find that perfect balance? I got two tips that I want to share with you today. Number one, whenever you're going to list a property, a listing on Airbnb, the first thing you want to do is do a comparable analysis, an apples to apples comparison, and you want to look at what are other hosts charging for a similar listing like yours in the same area with similar amenities. Now take what all the other hosts with those three things, what are they charging for their listings, and you want to subtract about anywhere from 10 to 25% from what they're charging in order to build your reviews. Because if you're charging $100 and because they're charging $100, however they already have 5 to 20 solid reviews and you have no reviews, then of course people are going to stay where they have the social proof already, where they've already built their credibility. However, if your price is slightly less, slightly more affordable than the one that has the social proof already, then people are more willing to stay in your listing. Once you build about 5 to 10 solid reviews on Airbnb, at that point, then you can actually charge what everyone else is charging. Once you have 20 to 40 solid reviews, or maybe you become a super host, then at that point you can charge premium prices. The second thing after you get 5 to 10 reviews is to use beyondpricing.com, which is what I've used from the very beginning. Airbnb combining Beyond Pricing is going to help you to maximize your revenue and your profits for your Airbnb listing. What Beyond Pricing does, it takes three things into consideration. Number one, it looks at how many flights are coming into the area. Number two, how many hotel and Airbnb bookings are coming into the area. And number three, what kind of events and how many events are in the area. So just imagine if the Olympics were taking place, in Brazil, then of course all those Airbnbs, all their pricing is just gonna skyrocket because there's high demand and obviously not enough accommodations for all of that demand. So of course, based on the supply and demand, the prices are just gonna skyrocket. Now, Beyond Pricing charges a very small fee of 1%. Airbnb charges you 3% for utilizing their service. Beyond Pricing is gonna charge you 1% for all the bookings, and that's what I recommend. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the little bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Also, check out my Airbnb hosting for beginners course in the description below. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.